Hello, I'm on the 2011 Chevy Avalanche and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you want to go inside and there's be a lever like this. You pull, you should feel a little resistance, but you should hear some sort of sound like that if it works. Case will go up to the front. Typically most vehicles are right around the middle here. Let's see if we can see with the video. Yeah, so right here, just to the left. Pull towards the right. Might need both hands to do it, but there we go. So it just hooks right on here with this. And if you're having some kind of issue with that, it's typically, maybe need a little grease or something caught up in here, or if your latch isn't releasing from the inside, you might have a little connection there that you need to replace or fiddle with some. That's it. This video was helpful and hope you have a great day.